Hi everyone, my name is Sharara Zehtabian. I'm presenting an automated virtual receptionist for recognizing visitors and assuring mask wearing. Virtual receptionists have been a desire for a long time, and specific circumstances with the pandemic, such as COVID-19, motivated us to build a virtual receptionist that can meet the requirements with COVID-19, such as wearing face masks and maintaining social distancing. One requirement that we consider here was building a low-cost prototype. In this picture, you see the embodied virtual character and the natural interface. And you see the hardware setup here, camera, microphone, and speaker. We use available off-the-shelf hardware to design the system. Another requirement is face recognition and re-identification. In addition to accuracy, time is also very important here, since we need to run face recognition and re-identification in each frame for each user. Current face recognition libraries are using large networks with more than 20 million parameters. Our goal here to achieve the same performance with smaller networks, and we suggest applying meta-learning that can adapt to new situations with few examples. We could recognize faces 15 to 20 times faster than the other algorithms. Another functionality is face mask classification to determine whether the incoming users are wearing a mask or not. In this picture, you see that the system could recognize if the person is wearing a mask or not. And even if there is a mask in the picture, it can recognize if the person is wearing it or not. So to conclude, we designed a virtual receptionist with consideration of COVID-19 pandemic. We implemented a face mask classification, and we built a more efficient face recognition system using meta-learning algorithm. A user study could be a good direction for the future. Thank you everyone for listening to this presentation.